Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how you could actually mount your microphone on a camcorder or a camera if you do not have a hot shoes. So you don't even need a very big piece. So I'm just gonna take this right here, put it on here, take this one up. I'll put the rough one on here, the center that's right there. You unstick it, and it's like a scotch tape. And you put it. I want to make sure I put it at the right position. This looks like it's a mic or something, so this is important. So I cannot put it here. Sadly, I'm going to have to put it on the optical image stabilizer. Okay, maybe not. I will just try to get it just right. There you go. So here it is. It's even better. This one is even better. The rough one. Had to notice it. This is tough. This is very oh. Perfect. Perfect. So now I can just cut off the excess right here. Give it a nice shape. So here it is. And now let's see, this is awesome. Let me just adjust it here. Connect the microphone right here. And then ready for this? Voila. The camcorder have a curve on there and this is a flat surface, but at the end of the day, here you have it, your microphone is attached and it's working good. I decided also I'm going to put another Velcro tape right on the battery, so it's flat. Both surfaces are flat, so it's much more sturdier. So you could give it a try. Put on the battery. If when you're doing your video and you find that the sound is not clear enough or it's maybe too far, although I don't think it makes too much of a difference really between here and here. It's the sound that matters, right? So you could put it right on the battery. This can work also, so it will look good also. So try it out on the battery also. Just want to let you know.